Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Chime, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with budgeting using Chime, download the Chime app from your app store. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Verify your identity by providing the necessary personal information, such as your name and date of birth. Once your account is set up, link your existing bank account or direct deposit your paycheck into your Chime account. Navigate to the Spending tab to view your current balance and recent transactions. To create a budget, go to the Savings tab and set your savings goals. Decide on monthly spending limits for categories like groceries, entertainment, and utilities. Use the Transactions section to track your spending in real time. Regularly check your budget performance by reviewing your expenses compared to your set limits. Adjust your budget as needed, especially if you notice areas where you consistently overspend. Take advantage of Chime's automatic savings feature to help reach your goals effortlessly. Set up alerts for low balances and upcoming bills to stay on top of your financial situation. Consider using the Round UPS feature to save spare change from everyday purchases. Monitor your progress weekly to ensure you are sticking to your budget. Celebrate small victories as you achieve your savings goals. Remember, budgeting is a flexible process, so don't hesitate to make changes as your financial situation evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.